Hey everyone, I am here today to announce February's first giveaway. Yes, first giveaway. We are going to do multiple giveaways in February. I'm really excited. Unfortunately, due to many issues, different various challenges I faced in January, I did not do a giveaway in January, and I'm going to make up for it in February. So I am wearing February's giveaway wig. This is Sky by Noriko in the color Iced Mocha-R. Sky is fabulous. So freaking adorable. Oh my gosh, this is just the cutest little shade cut. This color Iced Mocha-R is so beautiful. It's just a perfect blend of medium brown, some blonde highlights. It is just stunning, and it has a very minimal root. A perfect root. I just filmed a review of this piece, actually this color. I recently released a review of Sky, so you can find that on my channel, but I also then did a review of this color because of course if I'm going to have a wig to give away, I got to do a review on it. So look forward to that color spotlight on this piece. But this is our giveaway wig. Just adorable. Once again, one of our wig sisters has come through for us and donated this wig for a giveaway, and so I'm so excited to pass her on. Honestly, I am just so in love with this style. This is going to be a perfect style to wear with accessories and headbands. It's going to be great for summer. It's great for winter, for high-necked shirts. I just can't think of anything better when you're wearing turtlenecks and scarves, but in the summer, really great to keep off the neck. Couple of things to know about Sky. This has a basic cap and runs just a little bit small. So if you have a large head, this is probably not going to fit you. I imagine this is going to be too small for you. But you never know, and we all are different, and our comfort level with wig fit and tight versus loose. So the beautiful thing about a giveaway is you have no risk. So if you're curious about Sky or you're curious about this color, here's your opportunity to try to get her in the giveaway. So please look in the description box below for all of the details. I use Rafflecopter, so you'll click on the link to Rafflecopter. It'll take you to the giveaway, and then you'll just register in Rafflecopter and make sure the email address that you put in the registration form is one that you check. If it isn't one that you check regularly, then please put a note to check it at the day after right when the giveaway ends, because I will send an email. I'll also put it in the description of this video. I'll also put it on my community page. The winner has 5 days to contact me with mailing information so I can send her out, and if I don't hear from the winner, then I will pick another winner. And I just ask that if you register for this wig and you find that it's not your style, your color, or doesn't fit you right, please pay it forward and give it away to someone else. I'm always happy to accept her back and to re-gift her, but I just want to make sure that we're passing on the love because that was the intention of this donation. So, Sky, Iced Mocha-R, beautiful wig. Good luck. Stick around because there will be another giveaway this month, and I believe that one's going to have a couple of wigs in it. Thanks for watching so much and for being here, and if you've not already subscribed, please consider subscribing. I do giveaways every month. I am going to start doing a lot more fun things here, and I'm also considering how I might use my YouTube or my website to do some really awesome things too. So if you haven't visited my website, it's heywigsister at, well, that's my email, actually, heywigsister.com, heywigsister.com, and sign up for the email newsletter. I don't really do a newsletter right now, but if I do a post, you would get an email, and then you can find out the fun things I'm going to be doing. All right, enough rambling. Get registered for this giveaway. I'll talk to you guys soon.